Hey YouTube! In this workout, we're going to focus on evening out your strumming hand so you can just set it and forget it. So if you're having a hard time playing strum patterns evenly and you feel like you have to think about it too much, then try and play along with this video a few times and see what happens. We're going to do this strum pattern. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Let's try it. A few things to keep in mind. You want to make sure that you got a little bit of a loose grip on these picks. If you hold it too tight, it sounds really harsh. That's going to add resistance. But if you're kind of loosely holding the pick, it's going to give a little bit over the strings, making it sound a little bit smoother and helping it glide across the strings. Another thing that will add resistance is if you're holding the pick like this. Basically, the farther away your pick is from your hand, the more resistance there's going to be. So we want the pick to be here, a lot closer to your hand, with just a little bit of the pick sticking out. It's going to make it feel more like it's an extension of your thumb rather than this foreign object between you and the strings. All right, let's get started with the exercise. If you're not sure what's happening and you feel like you need more explanation, then go check out the demonstration video. I put the link in the description. We're starting at 50 beats per minute, and we're going to work our way up to 150 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready? Go. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and. All right, here's 60 beats per minute. Ready? Go. Down, up, down, up. Here's 70 beats per minute. Ready? Go. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and. 80 beats per minute. Ready? Go. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up. Here's 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and. 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and. 110 beats per minute. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and. Here's 120 beats per minute. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and. 130 beats per minute. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and. All right, just a couple more. Here's 140 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and. Last one. Here's 150 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 4 and. Bonus round! Let's try and play this with some chords. Let's try a C major and an A minor. You really only have to move this third finger, so I think it's a pretty nice change. And we'll see if we can do it 4 times in a row at 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, 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 down, up. That wasn't so bad, was it? Nice work getting here. If you did. If not, then give it a few more days. I'm sure you'll make it. If you did make it to the end, let me know in the comments how many days it took you to get here. Was it 1 day? Was it 1 week? It'd be good to know, and then people who are about to start the video will have a good idea of how long it's going to take. If you got any questions or suggestions for the channel, you can also throw those in there as well. And if you feel like you're getting some good value out of these videos, and you want to make sure that other struggling guitar players can find them easily in the search results, then click some buttons. That button's pretty good. This button helps a lot. There's some buttons down here you can click. Try it out. What do you got to lose? Bye!